Greetings and welcome to another tutorial for the multi-store add-ons WooCommerce. In this video, I'll show you how to place certain products on back order so that your customers can still order them even though they are out of stock. So let's get started. So firstly, we will head over to the multi-store add-ons WooCommerce. And on the global tab, we will enable display stores with zero stock. And also the store visibility will be set on product store. So come down here and save the settings. And then we will head over to the products tab. And over here, we will enable the product page widget. This will allow the store widget to appear on the product page of our store. And then we will also make sure that the stock management is set to location. Once again, scroll down here and click on Save Settings to save the changes. Now let's take a look at a product in our store. So here we have a shirt which is available in 4 locations, and in 3 locations it's in stock, while on the 4th one it's on back order, as you can see. So let's place this product on back order in one more location. To do that, we will go back to our WordPress dashboard and head over to the products tab and click on all products. Now locate the product which you want to place on back order and click on edit. Once you're on the product page, scroll down here, click on inventory, and then click on the track stock quantity for this product. Once you do that, the allow back orders option will appear. Click on the allow but notify customer option. Once that is done, go over to the locations tab over here. So once the stock goes to 0 for a location, the product will then be placed on back order for that particular location. So let's see how we do that. Let's click on edit for this store here. And now let's place the stock as 0. Click on save. And head back over here and click on update. Once that is done, let's head back to our store and refresh the page and see if the changes have been taken place. Now, as you can see, one more store is showing this product on back order. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.